Now, question 6. Accounts of Kala Kendra. In this question, just we have to prepare income and expenditure account. Here, we are not to prepare balance sheet of the current year as well as the opening balance sheet. Therefore, it is no need to find out the capital fund. Only we have to find out the incomes and expenses. Now read the questions. Following is the receipt and payment account of Bharatiya Kala Kendra for the end date 31st March 2020. Prepare income and expenditure account for the end date 31st March 2020. Now receipt says, to balance brought down. Cash in hand, cash at bank is an assets, so opening assets, it will not affected in answer sheets. Just we have to find out the incomes. Now locker rent is an income, revenue income. We write I. Entrance fees is also income. Sale of old papers is also income. Receipt from drama is also income. Legacies also income. Interest on government securities is a income. Miscellaneous receipts, sundry receipts, other receipts is a income. Now payment side. Stationery is an expenses. Furniture purchased is an assets. It will not affected in answer sheet. Government securities is also assets. Will not affected in answer sheet. Now expense of drama is expenses. Postage is also expenses. Magazines and newspapers is a revenue expenses. Salaries also expenses. Now balance carried down. Cash in hand, cash at bank is an assets. Will not affected in answer sheet. Now adjustment. Legacies are to be capitalized. It is to be deducted from legacies and added in capital fund, or otherwise directly we write on liability sides. Now see, legacies will not affected in income side, it goes to direct liability sides. Outstanding salaries, it is to be added in salary account. Just only single effect, we have to take out the salary one. Here it is salary, just added in salary. Now last one, 50% entrance fees are to be capitalized. It is to be deducted from entrance fees and added in capital fund. Just we have to make a single effect deducted from entrance fees. We take out the entrance fees. Here it is. Okay, now we go to answer sheet. Answer sheet is like this one. Bharatiya Kala Kendra income and expenditure account for the end date 31st March 2020. Expenditure rupees, incomes rupees. First we try to complete the income side. Just we have to find out the incomes on receipt sides. Now see, locker rent is an income. We write on first line by locker rent. Rupees 400. Next is entrance fees. Tick is there, we write inner column 2900. We have to subtract entrance fees as capitalize. 50% capitalize. 50% comes rupees 1450. Deduction comes 1450. Next is sale of old papers. We write here it is sale of old papers. Rupees 250. Next is receipt from drama is also income. Receipts from drama. Rupees 9,000. Next is interest on government securities. Interest on government securities. Rupees 400. Next is miscellaneous receipts. Rupees 400. Okay, now we go to on payment sides. We write on expenditure side. First is stationery. We write here it is stationery. Rupees 600. Next is expense of drama. rupees 3000. Next is postage. Rupees 450. Next, magazine and newspapers. Rupees 600. Next, salaries. Tick is there. We are at inner column 4400. We have to add outstanding salaries. Rupees 200. Totals 4600. Okay, now see once again. Nothing else. We go to close the income and expense account. Total of income sides is greater than expenditure sides. Total is rupees 11,900. We write on debit side also 11,900. From this one, we have to subtract all of these figures and answers comes rupees 2,650 is a surplus. Okay, this is the answer. It's a balance figure. Okay, this is the complete answer. We close the answer sheet. Okay.